Yes. Hello, future millionaire. I'm here with Wayne. Hi, Wayne.
How you going, guys?
Okay, I'm getting to the camera right now. Hi, everyone. That's me again. What I just did, I came here actually to buy sunglasses because I'm giving rise to a lot of people. I need more sunglasses. I want to give away free sunglasses, high quality sunglasses for free. I want to protect everybody's eye. So I came here to buy sunglasses, and then Wayne here talked to me because my t-shirt, it says Bitcoin. So I just explained to him the difference between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And I just gave you $1 Bitcoin Cash, didn't I?
You certainly did.
Yes. Okay, let's take a look.
There it is.
There it is. There it is. That's a fresh wallet right there.
Well,
fresh
it says
wallet.
99 cents now.
Now it's 99 cents. The price went down 1 cent. Oops. No, but don't worry. From here onwards, you can watch this wallet, and then later on, when you want to buy Bitcoin Cash, you just go onto your favorite exchange. I don't care where you buy it from, because Bitcoin Cash is one of the largest crypto in the world.
Yes.
And you can buy Bitcoin Cash from any exchange of your choice. I do not plug any exchanges. I don't care where you buy your Bitcoin Cash from, or you steal it. I don't care. Get your hands on some Bitcoin Cash, because this thing's gonna go up another 100-fold. And I haven't told you that, right? See the surprise face? Go watch my videos. 3 years ago, I made a video about 1,000-fold.
I will be tonight.
Yes. The best part is our proven track record. 3 years ago, I told everybody in my video that it was 1,000-fold. Guess what that's done? It has 10-folds already. It will be still 100-fold. So 1,000-fold is not possible anymore, but 100-fold is still possible, Wayne. So don't let this slide, okay?
No,
Go study it. I'm not asking you to buy anything from me. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just showing you the power of Bitcoin Cash Network. That's all there is.
I think that's interesting, because I've been looking into this for the last couple of months.
Yeah.
I run into this guy.
Literally here, you came here probably for fishing, right? Fishing
well,
Look,
my YouTube
Anaconda.
videos are fishing.
Yeah. Here's for fishing gear. I'm there for safety gear. I came here to literally buy sunglasses. Yeah. That's my car in the back. You saw my bag, so I have Bitcoin t-shirt on me. So that's a great opportunity. Thanks, Wayne. Thanks very much.
My pleasure.
All right. Have a great day. Thanks, Wayne. Bye.